Hello everybody. Today we will learn how to make a simple exception handling program in Python. So for this you can see this question number 8. I have written write a Python program to check age of a voter by raising an exception. So here I have started this program with the comments. Write a Python program to check age of a voter. So that means if age of a voter is less than 18, then we have to raise exception for that. If it is equal to or greater than 18, then he can vote, he can cast his vote. So he or she can cast his or her votes. So here what we need to understand that whenever the age is going being entered below 18, we have to throw an exception for that, for age entry error. Now for age entry error, here if we started from here, because in Python we have a try, except, else, finally block. We whatsoever exception we are to test, we have to go through with the try, except, else and finally block. Now in this one, try is a block where you code or whatsoever you are whatsoever you want to test out, that you will be placing inside the try block. And if error comes out, then that will be handled by your except block. And if everything goes fine and everything is smooth, then you can move to, then automatically your program would be moving to else section of this try, except, else, finally block. So in this one, if everything is fine, then this will be printed. But here finally block is unconditional. That means whether your program is running or not running, exception is being thrown or not being thrown, it's absolutely unconditional. So it will get executed anyhow. So this is exception handling program over, will be printed in any case. So here when we start this program, I am getting age of the voter here in the try block. Once we have entered that age, it will be tested out. And now if age is less than 18, then you are to raise an error. For raising an error, you need to have this age entry error class must be defined there. Age entry error class must be defined there. And from here it is directly moving to this one. This is your custom class. So when you are defining any custom class, like your own made class, like age entry error class, you will have to be inherit your exception class. It is super class of any custom class. So you will have to inherit this class, and whatsoever class you are making, that has to be, those classes have to be subclass of exception class. So this has been identified, means it is correct, it is here. Now when it is here, now you will be throwing it age entry exception error. So now you have defined that age entry exception error has been caught. When it has been caught, you can display your message. So it means the overall program is going to come here only when the age is going to be below than 18. Otherwise, if it is okay, your program is going to display this, and this block is all the time will get executed, please. So thank you very much, please, for seeing this.